A Lennox central air conditioner may not turn on due to a blown fuse or a damaged capacitor. To troubleshoot this issue, first inspect and replace the blown fuse by switching off the power supply to the unit and locating the fuse box, which is usually near the control panel or air handler unit. If you are unsure, consult the user manual, check the fuses for damage or blown fuses, and replace them with a fuse of the same amperage. After replacing the fuse, restore power to the unit and check if it turns on. Another possible cause is a faulty run capacitor, which provides power to the compressor. If it fails, the compressor and other units may not work, and the air conditioner may not turn on. To fix this, switch off the power to the unit, remove the access panel to locate the capacitor, and discharge it using a screwdriver before disconnecting the wire connectors. Unmount the capacitor by unthreading the screws holding it, and visually inspect it for swelling and leaks. A multimeter can also be used to measure its continuity. If the capacitor is faulty, replace it with a new one. Attach the access panel, and restore power to the air conditioner. It is essential to consult the user manual when repairing the air conditioner to ensure a safe and successful repair. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot a Lennox AC that won't turn on.